Creation dates back to the 18th and 19th centuries, when the Indian subcontinent was under British colonial rule. During this time, a movement to establish an independent Muslim-majority nation in the region began to gain momentum. The All India Muslim League, a political party representing the interests of the Muslims in India, was founded in 1906. The party aimed to safeguard the political and economic rights of the Muslim community, who felt marginalized under Hindu-majority rule. As the struggle for independence from British rule intensified in the 20th century, differences between Muslims and Hindus became more apparent. Muslims feared that their rights would be neglected in a unified India, as they were outnumbered by the Hindu-majority population. This led to the demand for a separate homeland for the Muslims known as Pakistan, which means land of the pure. The idea of Pakistan gained significant traction under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who later became the country's first governor-general. Jinnah emphasized the need for a separate Muslim-majority state, where religious minorities could practice their faith freely. On March 23, 1940, the All India Muslim League passed the Lahore Resolution, which called for the creation of independent states in the northwestern and eastern regions of India where Muslims were in the majority. This resolution became the foundation for the eventual creation of Pakistan. After years of negotiations and struggles, India finally achieved its independence from British rule on August 15, 1947. As a result, India was divided into two separate nations, India and Pakistan. Pakistan consisted of two distinct geographical regions, West Pakistan, which included Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan provinces, and East Pakistan, present-day Bangladesh, separated by over 1,500 kilometers of Indian territory. On August 14, 1947, Pakistan became an independent nation. Muhammad Ali Jinnah proclaimed Pakistan as a democratic state where people of all religions have equal rights and opportunities. The country faced numerous challenges in its infancy, including the mass migration of Hindus and Sikhs from the newly formed India and the formation of a new political and administrative system. Since its creation, Pakistan has faced various socio-political and economic challenges, including tensions with India, internal conflicts, and struggles for democratic governance. However, it has also made notable achievements in areas such as education, sports, and technological advancements. Today, Pakistan remains a diverse nation with a rich cultural heritage,